Hello and welcome to another episode on Unbox Tech Bites. Today we've got a slightly different episode. It's a part 1 of a series of videos on our Corsair 1000D Super Tower water-cooled build. Now before we jump into the first part of the video, if I could please ask that you just take a moment to subscribe to the channel and even like the video if you're happy with it, that would be really great. So as we jump straight into the order process, you can see there are many items being ordered. Now one of these is the motherboard, and that was a pre-order that took about 6 weeks to get out to me as they were still developing it. And one of the other longest parts that isn't actually in the video was the graphics card cooler from EKWB, as to be honest, when I first contacted them they hadn't even received the original 480 to base the designs off of yet. But they did, and that arrived in the post today, so here I am starting off the video. This is by far one of the most extreme builds I have ever made. I went all out on this build as much as I could. Now I was deciding between having 2 water-cooled systems inside there or just the one. I've gone for the single E80X system in here with hardline water cooling. Now I've never undertaken hardline water cooling before, so this is going to be a real challenge for me. There's going to be a lot of difficulty in creating the aesthetic that I really want within this build.